You're looking at a 2018 Toyota Tacoma SR5 4-door with 6-cylinder engine, automatic 4-wheel drive transmission, 104,000 miles. This truck comes well equipped, alloy wheels, running boards, ABS, traction and stability control, bed liner, bed cover, tow package. So it has a tow hitch in the back. There's the bed. There's a backup camera. Inside, the VIN number. It has the all-season mats, cloth interior. It has the backup camera, Bluetooth, smart applications, rear window controls, power function button, 4-wheel drive, 4 high, 4 low, shift on the fly, air conditioning. It has the lane departure and the radar cruise control. It also has a Bluetooth. The exact mileage is 104,058. This is all highway miles. This car is a Virginia car and it's never seen New England winter. Automatic high beams as well. The car's in excellent shape. No burnt holes, no odors, no rips or anything like that. Sorry, this is just a sticker. If you're interested, please give us a call, 508-921-0301.